Welcome to our latest video, where we'll be exploring China's top 10 budget-friendly destinations that are definitely worth a visit. China is a country with a rich cultural heritage, stunning natural beauty, and modern cities that are rapidly developing. With so much to see and experience, China is quickly becoming one of the most popular travel destinations in the world. In this video, we've put together a list of 10 amazing places that you can explore in China without breaking the bank. So, join us as we take you on a journey through some of China's most affordable yet impressive destinations. Let's get started. Number 10. Jiuzhaigou is an important national park in China, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is known for its stunning natural beauty, including colorful lakes, waterfalls, and forests. Visitors to Jiuzhaigou can explore the park's many hiking trails, which offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. They can also visit traditional Tibetan villages and monasteries that offer insights into the region's rich cultural heritage. Although Jiuzhaigou is a popular destination for tourists, it is still considered budget-friendly due to its affordable entrance fees and relatively low-cost accommodations and dining options. Visitors can also take advantage of public transportation options to save money on transportation costs. Number 9. The Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding is an important institution for China because it plays a crucial role in the conservation and preservation of the endangered giant pandas. The center is located in Chengdu, Sichuan province, which is one of the few places where giant pandas still live in the wild. One reason why the Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding is budget-friendly is that the admission fee is relatively low compared to other tourist attractions. Additionally, visitors can bring their own food and drinks into the park, which helps to reduce costs. Visitors to the Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding can observe the giant pandas in their natural habitat and learn about their behavior, habitat, and conservation efforts. The center has several exhibits and educational programs that provide visitors with an opportunity to interact with the giant pandas up close, including panda feeding, panda cub viewing, and volunteer programs. Number 8. The Great Wall of China is an important symbol of China's history, culture, and national identity. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist destination that attracts millions of visitors every year. Visitors to the Great Wall can hike along various sections of the wall, explore ancient watchtowers and fortresses, and take in panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes. They can also learn about the history and significance of the wall through museums and cultural exhibits. The Great Wall is considered a budget-friendly destination because of its affordable entry fees and low-cost transportation options. Many visitors choose to take public transportation or join group tours to save money, and accommodations and food in nearby towns are often affordable and accessible to budget travelers. Number 7. Beijing is the capital city of China and is an important cultural and political center of the country. It has a long and rich history that spans over 3,000 years and has been the capital of China for much of that time. Beijing is also home to several other important cultural and historical sites, such as the Temple of Heaven, the Summer Palace, and the National Museum of China. Visitors can learn about China's rich cultural heritage by visiting these sites and experiencing the unique architecture, art, and traditions of the country. Despite being a popular tourist destination, Beijing is also budget-friendly. There are many affordable accommodation options, as well as inexpensive food options available in local restaurants and street vendors. Additionally, there are many free or low-cost attractions that visitors can explore, such as public parks, local markets, and traditional neighborhoods like the hutongs. Number 6. The Terracotta Warriors are an important archaeological discovery that showcases the artistic and cultural achievements of ancient China. They are considered one of the greatest archaeological finds of the 20th century and are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors to the Terracotta Warriors site can see thousands of life-size clay figures depicting soldiers, horses, and chariots that were buried with the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang. They can also explore the museum and exhibits that provide context and information about the history and culture of the Qin dynasty. The Terracotta Warriors site is considered a budget-friendly destination because of its affordable entry fees and easy accessibility via public transportation. Additionally, there are many low-cost accommodations and dining options in the nearby city of Xi'an, making it a popular destination for budget travelers. Number 5. The Shaolin Temple is an important cultural and historical landmark in China. It is located in the Henan province and is considered to be the birthplace of Chan Buddhism and Shaolin Kung Fu. The temple was built in the 5th century and has since been a center for Buddhist learning, meditation, and martial arts training. Visitors to the Shaolin Temple can experience a range of activities, including watching Kung Fu performances, learning martial arts, practicing meditation, and exploring the temple's architecture and history. The temple offers various classes and courses for visitors, including Kung Fu training, calligraphy, and tea ceremonies. The Shaolin Temple is also a budget-friendly destination for travelers. The admission fee is relatively low, and visitors can choose to stay in the nearby towns or hostels, which offer affordable accommodation options. Additionally, the temple is easily accessible by public transportation, making it convenient for those traveling on a budget. Number 4. The Bund is an important landmark for China because it is a symbol of Shanghai's history and economic development. It is a waterfront area that stretches along the Huangpu River and features a beautiful collection of colonial-era buildings on one side and modern skyscrapers on the other. Visitors to the Bund can take a leisurely stroll along the riverfront promenade while enjoying the beautiful views of the city skyline, including the iconic Oriental Pearl Tower. Many visitors also enjoy taking a river cruise along the Huangpu River to see the city from a different perspective. The Bund is a budget-friendly attraction because there is no admission fee to visit the area, and walking along the promenade and taking in the sights is free. Additionally, there are several affordable restaurants, cafes, and street food vendors in the area, allowing visitors to enjoy a variety of local food without breaking the bank. Number 3. The Leshan Giant Buddha is an important cultural and religious site in China, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is considered one of the largest stone Buddha sculptures in the world and a symbol of Chinese Buddhist art and architecture. The Leshan Giant Buddha site is considered budget-friendly due to its affordable entrance fees and public transportation options. Visitors can also find reasonably priced accommodations and dining options in the nearby city of Leshan. Visitors to the Leshan Giant Buddha site can marvel at the statue's intricate details and the surrounding natural beauty, which includes mountains, rivers, and waterfalls. They can also explore nearby temples and shrines that offer insights into the history and practices of Chinese Buddhism. Number 2. Guilin is an important city in China due to its natural beauty and strategic location in the Guangxi-Zhuang Autonomous Region. The city is situated along the Li River and surrounded by breathtaking landscapes of karst mountains, limestone cliffs, and verdant forests, making it a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. Visitors to Guilin can take a cruise along the Li River, which is a scenic route that passes through picturesque towns, terraced rice paddies, and towering cliffs. Guilin is also known for its budget-friendly accommodations and dining options. The city has a variety of affordable guest houses, hostels, and hotels, as well as local restaurants serving delicious and inexpensive food. Guilin is a great option for budget-conscious travelers who want to experience China's natural beauty without breaking the bank. Number 1. The Potala Palace is an important cultural and historical landmark in China, particularly in the Tibet Autonomous Region. The Potala Palace is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and has been an important cultural and religious center for Tibetans and Buddhists for centuries. It was also the traditional winter residence of the Dalai Lama until the 14th Dalai Lama fled to India in 1959. While traveling to Tibet can be expensive due to the remote location and limited transportation options, the Potala Palace is actually quite budget-friendly for visitors. Admission fees are relatively low, and visitors can easily find affordable accommodations and food in nearby Lhasa. The Potala Palace is a must-see for visitors to Tibet. It has a number of different halls, chapels, and rooms to explore, and the palace contains many important religious and cultural artifacts, including statues, murals, and manuscripts. Visitors can also enjoy panoramic views of Lhasa from the palace's rooftop. Thank you. I'm glad you watched our video. We recommend that you watch the videos that have appeared on the screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like our video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.